Got a call from a customer, feeling quite distraught. Watch the system compact with an A2 quite distraught. Watch the system compact with an A227 fault. The boiler's looking sad, but I've got a little hunch. The boiler's looking sad, but I've got a little hunch. Let's leave the boiler be and go inspect where they make lunch. Head into the kitchen, gotta test the gas hob. Turn the first burner on, it's doing its job. But twist the other dials, and what do we see? The flames are burning low as a flame could ever be. Even on the highest setting, it's a tiny little spark. Not enough gas is flowing through the dark. The boiler is starving, the hob is running dry. The boiler is starving, the hob is running dry. Turn off the other rings, watch the single flame go high. Now it's time to find the meter, gotta see what is corrupt. Head into the cupboard where the meter hides away. We gotta test the governor to save the day. First you do a tightness test, switch the gas right off. Undo little nipple, give a little cough. Hook up the Manaprito, did it off the screen. Tightness test is golden, keeping it all clean. Now for standing pressure, pressure, pressure. Let's open up the valve. Do it nice and slowly, that's a problem it will solve. Don't want the fluid spilling from the top and making mess. ECV is fully open, now what is our guess? Shining up the light, 24 millibar. Standing pressure solid, we are acting like a star. Back into the kitchen, turn the burners on again. One is fine, two is weak, it's a downward spinning trend. As the rings light up, the gas is running thin. Back to denometer with the burners blazing bright. Looking for the pressure, wait, there's nothing in sight. Move the little slider, it's sitting right on zero. Working pressure's gone, but now you're the hero. 0 millibar, the governor's a zero. Yeah, the governor needs replacing.